Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have an unbagging. Let's see who it's from. Get rid of the bag here. Alright, let me take a quick gander. Alright, this is from LetMeDIY. And let's see what's in here. They are cross-stitch kits. In a bag. I don't know what company made this one. Pull everything out. Oh, goodness gracious. Set that up there. We have a toolkit with a bobbin, a seam ripper, a threader, a needle, a poof ball, and 5 needles. This is going to be an 11 count. And let me see what the picture is. Well, there's not a good picture of what it is, but we have a great big huge graph that goes with it. You turn it around. This one has 34 colors. And it's of some plum blossoms. I don't think that you can see this. Let me pull you in as close as I can. But I will have a picture of it so that you can tell. It is a 50 by 50. But great big huge graph. Thank goodness. It's about time, folks, and you can actually see all the symbols and everything. And on this side, same thing. It's going to be a round. Yeah, nice. It's a little crinkled. And this, dagnabbit, can get there. This key is the same that's going to be on the, oh goodness, on the canvas. Let me put that up there so I can keep that with that. But it's one of those Chinese things. You'll recognize it when I open it up. Flick it and see how nice the thread is. So I can get it undone. And this one is let me see something. It says 40 by 50. Let me think. 50 by 50. Pretty sure. It is what it's supposed to be. Give me a second. Alright, I had to look on my sheet. It is a hydrangea. Just to make sure. But it's still a beautiful, beautiful flower. Has lots of background. Make sure you're all the way out and you can see what's going on. There we go. But as you can see, it has lots of background and then a little butterfly and then a Chinese character here. They're just beautiful. Let's take a look at all these beautiful colors now. Hang on. I gotta grab everything and then get rid of the crunchy bag. We're having a heck of a start. It has 3 extra hanks, if you will, of this off-white creamy color. It's 3865. It looks kind of a yellow next to all the rest of that. Should be a little bit lighter, but that's cool. It'll work. But that's a lot of thread. And it is an 11 count. It is 50 by 50. And these are all the beautiful colors. Just absolutely beautiful. Those greens and those pinks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 colors that have pink in them. Lovely greens and golds and salmon, darker salmon. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Nice and long. Get them all shooked out there. There you go. Aren't they beautiful? And they're nice and soft. Just beautiful. And this says full needle, full embroidery cross stitch. So I don't know if full needle is the name of the company. And there isn't a, what do you call it, the product number on here. But just beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's take a look. And like I said, the key on the paper is the same here. So these are nice and easy to read. Let me just fold it in half because it gets kind of thin. This is serged all the way around. It's kind of wrinkled from being moved around. I thought we had needles. I guess our needles are in that packet. Just beautiful. Let's take a look and see how big it is. Now I have to find my, oh, there's my tape measure. Yay. It said it was going to be 50 by 50. I'll show you something up here at the top in a minute. Crud. 50 in that direction. And 50 in this direction. Full size. And the pattern itself is 43.5, maybe a little bit more, centimeters by 43.5. So it's a little over 17 inches diameter. Just beautiful. And there's not a lot of confetti. There's some like in the sprigs that sit up there. Just beautiful. It does have the order number, not order, product number. Hello. Words are escaping me today. And it has 50 by 50 and it's 191 by 191. But it looks very nice and very easy to do. There's just a lot of that background. Jeepers creepers. But it's going to be all those pink flowers. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And it's a hydrangea, not a red plum. I remember I couldn't get the red plum, so that's why they changed it. Get everything else out of my way. And this is the next one that I got. It's a 40 by 60. I just thought it was beautiful with all these colors. We're trying. Just gotta figure out where to undo it at. Sorry for the crinkle. Come on. Package. Looks like somebody sat on this thing. But there's the picture. She's a geisha. Isn't she beautiful? And all those pretty, pretty, pretty colors. And this is a nice little picture. It's just different. It's like a picture of the actual stitching. You know, the thing that was stitched. Yep. And it comes with a great big... Let me see if I can get it undone. Big graft here. This will match the canvas again. So it's not too big of a picture, but you could see the symbols if you wanted to. Has the color, DMC, the symbol, and the number on the thread card. If you wanted to, you could use a magnifying glass, or it's not real tiny, like some of them. Bring it up just a little bit. There is a picture there of her, but you really can't see it. It's beautiful. And does come with an instruction page. Woo. Let's take a look at all these pretty colors. If I can get them out of there. Whoa, my bad. My bad. You have two separate hanks of thread. Let's see here. It tells me what... Nope, it just says number 13. But beautiful thread. That's your background colors. there, here, and there. There's not much difference. Maybe the darker goes down at the bottom. It's different. There's even a teeny tiny butterfly there. Oh, there's 2 more. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of them. There are 34 colors. Nice long threads. I like it that way. There's no product number on this card. We have beautiful colors, like autumn colors, and then you got bright greens and blues. And there's like a bright green and a darker olive. And then over here, trying to pull them a little bit. This is an 11 count too. It's red and orange and dark red, like a medium orange, really bright orange. And then you have like a burgundy and some more greens, kind of in the olive tones. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. But now you can see all the colors. Just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So I think it will be beautiful. We wind that up. Oh, I should have put that with that. Okay. And put that up there. Now LetMeDIY has cross stitching. And they have cross stitch only. They have big and small, all different sizes. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section. And they also have cross stitch crafts. And they also have full and partial cross stitches. And they're having sales right now, so you might want to take a look. Put her up there so we don't lose her. And they usually have really good sales, so check it out. And there's 2 needles right there. Trying to figure out which way is top and which way is bottom. We're getting there. We're getting there. Ouch. And then I stab myself. It looks a little confetti down here in this dress. I don't know, it's got rivers and a little bit big, but it does have some confetti. But that's the main thing on your of the whole picture, you know, it's just her in that dress. But I think it's beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's see how big it is. You have a nice key. Let me show you that. It is not serged all the way around, so that helps. Helps, doesn't help, but it's fairly stiff, you know. We can't have them all that nice lighter weight, but it's not terribly stiff, you know, like some of the small ones. Trying to get it to all lay flat. It is 40.5 across, and down it is 59.5. So it's a little over a 1/2 centimeter wide, and it's a 1/2 centimeter short. Okay. Holy cow. And that is 33.5 by 33.5, so that's 13 inches by 53.5, which is 21. So 13 by 21. It's just beautiful. I think it'll be gorgeous. That background. See, I got both of these have lots of background, and I'm just not real happening about that background. I can wait. Yeah. So I'll probably work on this main part and then see how I feel about doing the background. I don't know. It may or may not get done. The background, that is. But I think it'd be pretty just on white with all the colors, you know, without putting any background color to it. Let's see. They also have free shipping for orders over $49. Now that may have changed, and if they have a special, it might be even better. So They also have hoops and beads, and they have like a toolkit. Well, not toolkit. They have a tool section, is what I wanted to say, which is really, really nice. You know, and since it just focuses on cross stitch, you know, I think that sometimes that's better. You know, some stores, they concentrate on diamond painting, some on cross stitch. And this is just one with cross stitch, and I'm pretty sure that they have stamped and what do you call it? Counted cross stitch. So that's cool. But it's not too bad. It's just a little stiff, but it's pretty long, so it won't take long to break that down. But nice needles, except I keep stabbing myself. It was special there a minute ago. About grabbed the whole thing. But nice, easy to read. Symbols. I mean, let me fold it in half. Then I'll put it on this side where there's lots of symbols. Let me get it down. But they're very easy to read. Just beautiful. I can hardly wait to start either one of these. Just gorgeous. Especially that one with the pink flowers. And all the different shades of pink. I love that. Let's see. Anything else I need to tell you? They did have Christmas stuff, so I'm not sure. Some other stores are, you know, kind of playing down the Christmas things, and others, they're having specials. So you might just check it out if you want to order something for this coming up year to make before Christmas, then you can certainly get deals. They always have good deals. And I've shopped here personally and bought things, you know, other than when I've been doing a review for a company, so that's nice. All right. Well, go check out LetMeDIY. And thank you, LetMeDIY, for sending me these beautiful products. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.